Hello, everybody. Hopefully I can film okay. So there's going to be a delay on a video because my camera broke. And so it was not holding a charge and it was goofing up and all that things. Look, I'm wearing fall colors today. I got up bright and early this morning, took public transportation and went and took care of the camera saga, which needed to be done anyways. And I kind of already anticipated having to do it. Just that I just wasn't looking forward to doing it. Have you ever been there? Then you know. Upgraded to a Apple Watch, which is pretty exciting. I'm just getting all caught up in the razzle and dazzle of of new things. So yes, I stopped at T-Mobile today. Look, I think it's so cool. It can be a picture of me and my hubby on there. It's just really cool. Anyways, I'm loving it. I'm learning all the things. So I feel like I'm kind of rambling, but I wanted a Fitbit. I really did. And then I thought, somebody said, why do that when you can get an Apple Watch? And with my phone, the way that it is, and they're not charging me that much for the phone. So it's really a win-win for me. So I'm going to use this as my fitness thing and for tracking my walking and all that. And I have a girlfriend that has one and she's like, hey, if you need any help using it or whatever, just let me know and I'll hook you up. So I'm good with that. Yes. So you actually get to see me today. Look, I actually look kind of normal. I probably do need to cover my gray, but I did do my hair today and put in earrings and some jewelry. And I actually wore my new sweater. It's in the 60s today. So yay! It finally felt like fall today. So that's pretty exciting. I am getting ready actually to change my clothes because I don't want to get anything on this. And I am going to include what I filmed yesterday because you guys are going to miss it. It's not much, but you guys will see it. But today, right now, oh my gosh, my day has really gotten away from me. But today, my plan is to cook some dinner and clean up downstairs because it's just piled up, just stuff kind of everywhere. So it's all good. We're going to get it done. And I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hey guys, forgive the lighting. Woo, I am sweating again. I feel like every time I talk to you, I'm like sweating buckets. Anyhow, doing a little yard work today. It is cooler outside than it is in here, but I came in to get me a drink and my arm's gonna get tired. If you see mess behind me, ignore it. Everything seems to be in transition, including my yard. Seeds for next year, guys, hopefully. I just picked it off my dried up marigolds. And so there's a lot in there. My mom was like, don't pick them if they are green, let them dry out, and don't bag them up if they're green at all, and they're dry as can be. So I think you just take those little things and just squeeze them and all the seeds come out, and you can plant them next year. So hello everyone. So it took me 2 hours, but I got the yard cut and weed eated. The front, I didn't exactly weed eat. I put my gloves on and I pulled all the weeds out by hand because there really wasn't much, but it needed cut so bad. And I'll check in a little bit and we'll see how lunch goes. I think I'm just going to get my little Fry Daddy out and heat it up, and we're going to have some fries and some chicken tenders, and we're just going to make this easy today. All right, we're getting started on supper. Chicken patties are in there. I'm just going to make sandwiches with them when they're heated through. I've got this is a Fry Daddy, but it's an off-brand. Love this thing because you shut it when you fry stuff, and it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm just doing potato wedges. I'm just going to throw some salt on these, put them in the basket, let them fry up. It'll probably take about 15-20 minutes for them to get done. And that's about how I cut them. They're delicious, and that is what it's going to be for supper. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So here's my salmon cakes. And over here, we got mac and cheese. We got the cheese melting in there. So that is what is for dinner. I can't wait to dive in. Hello, everyone. So I'm done. I did dinner. I met up with a neighbor. I made some phone calls. Basically, I got a new phone and it would not, for whatever reason, they could not get my apps to load while I was in a store. So I actually had to go in and delete and re-add them and sign into them, which was not a big deal. But you know as well as I do, that takes forever. But we are finally seeing some fall weather tonight. I'm loving it, even though I'm sweating right now because I've been cleaning. I just don't like to get up where everything is upside down. So the coffee pot's loaded. All the dirty laundry is done and will be put in except for the outfit I have on, but that's okay. In the dryer. Everything's been swept and mopped. It smells good down here. The dishes are done and put away. I scrubbed this bathroom in here as well. So everything is nice and clean and fresh anyways. To start our day tomorrow morning. Sometimes I have a hard time with pushing myself late at night. Because like right now, it's like 20 till 10. And I still have to go upstairs and I have to take a bath and I have to edit this video. So it makes for kind of late night, and sometimes I'm like, no, I don't need to do this, or I don't need to do that. And then I get up the next day and I really regret that I didn't do the things that I said in my head I needed to do. And so, yeah, I'm glad that I got it done tonight. It smells really good. It smells like pine sol in here. I put a lot of things away. I had my mower chargers out. I put those away. My purse is ready for tomorrow to go. My outfit for tomorrow is ready to go. So all I got to do is get up. Now, I got a request to show you the Lysol laundry sanitizing detergent. And this, I just add a little capful to my laundry with my regular laundry soap. It works really, really well. It smells really good. And I believe it works. So, you know, for my gym clothes, I've really been using this. We wear Skechers, and sometimes I run them through the washing machine because they need it. They need it bad, and I will use this in with it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You can get this at Walmart. I've seen it at Target. I'm sure you can order it on Amazon. But yeah, there it is. I'm showing you guys because it was requested.